Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Chat on your phone so you can still stay connected with your friends. So in here, I've already opened the Gmail app. So on Gmail, you need to first enable the Google Chat. So what you need to do is click on the three horizontal lines on the left corner of the Gmail apps, and here scroll down until you find the settings. Click on that and select the Gmail account, the usernames, and after that just scroll down, and here on the general section you can see there is a chat option. So you need to enable this to show the chat tab or the Google Chat tab. So Gmail will be restarting, and now the Google Chat tab will be in the middle here at the bottom. So to start using it, you can just click on that, and here you can start a conversation by clicking on this plus icon, then just select or find your friends account. So for example this one, and after that here you can click on that and just start writing the message like this. Click on send, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.